it's April. We have the April Showers and Mayflowers mystery box for you guys. This box is not going to last long, so if you're a cutie collector, I suggest you hop on over there, use those links down below, and grab this box. This box is on sale for $59.99. It has a retail value of $118.91, and I am going to show you guys what is in there. Please use those links down below. Add something to your cart, and if you're an Access subscriber, which you have to be to get this box because it has a cutie in it, then your Access discount is going to apply automatically. But if you add something to that cart, then you can use the group code CraftHappy and get an additional 10% off on applicable items. Now, it won't apply to the mystery box, but it will apply to other things that are in your cart. So let's take a look. This is the Blush Cutie. Isn't she cute? Love, love, love. Love this color. And so next in this mystery box, we have the Glitter Gel Mermaid Pen Set. These are the 0.08 glitter gels. 5 different colors. Yay! I was looking to see if it showed which color, but it does not. You have this, let's see, right here. Oh, you have the Bordeaux, the Dark Rose, the Olive, Plum, and Peacock. Gotta have glitter gel pens. Love them. Let's see. Next in this box, we have some Strong Bond iron-on. This is the Everyday Iron-On Mesh. This is the Midnight Floral Sampler. You're getting the white mesh, the pink, and the black. 3 sheets, 1 of each color, 12 by 12 in the Midnight Floral Sampler. Guys, this stuff is perfect for summertime, especially if you don't like a lot of bulky iron-on that's hot. You can layer this stuff up and it still has those holes in it, so it's still breathable. Love it for summer. Next in this box, we have, let's see, it's hard to decide which one I'm going to pick. Okay, let's go with this. This is the permanent glitter. This is the premium shimmer vinyl in the pink. Love that. Look at that shine on this stuff. It doesn't get better than that. Beautiful on stainless steel cups, on your shadow boxes. Love it. And even on car windows, why not? Next we have, oh, and if I didn't say, that's a 12 by 48 inch sheet of that. Let's see. Oh, this is beautiful. This is your premium brushed. This is the true brush, guys, in the neon watermelon. I don't know if I can get it to pick that texture up. Look at that texture on that. This stuff is gorgeous. I love the true brushed. Love it. If you haven't tried this, guys, this is a perfect way for you to build your stash and be able to try out products that you haven't tried yet. So if you haven't tried them, I'm just going to say I would grab this box. Like I said, not going to last long. Next in this box, we have some more of the Strong Bond iron-on. This is the patterned iron-on from Cricut. This is the In Bloom Pink Sampler. Guys, this stuff is fun to work with. I'm going to open this up. Love this for tote bags, all sorts of things. There's still some stuff in this box. I'm not done by any means, but I want you to take a look at this. This is a lot of fun if you're cutting like a big monogram letter for a tote bag or for makeup bags, things like that. Pillows. There's so many things that you can use this on. And it's going to give me one of those bands. See if I can slide it up. There we go. And we have some tape too. Packaged well. Let me get that tape off of there. Let's get my handy dandy Cricut tool here. Get that tape lifted up. There we go. love patterned iron-on. Comes in 3 different patterns in this sampler. Look at that. I think it's hard to decide. I really love it, but I love this too. It's hard to decide which one's my favorite out of there. But guys, if you have not worked with the patterned iron-on from Cricut, try it. You're going to love it. I promise, you'll love it. Once you learn to use it, it is so much fun. And let's see. What else is in this April showers and May flowers? We have some premium vinyl. This is the Lies Flat Forest Green. It's 112 by 48 inch sheet in the Forest Green. And this is the removable mat. So you can use this on walls or temporary for your doors, for your Easter decor. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And let's see. I'm trying to decide. Okay, more iron-on. This is the glitter iron-on in the multi-pink color. It's 112 by 19 sheet in the Strong Bond glitter iron-on. Pretty. And let's see. Last but not least, we have the premium vinyl. This is the permanent glossy on this one. It is also the Lies Flat in the melon color. And it is 112 by 48 inch sheet. Love, love, love. So guys, make sure that you're going over there and you're grabbing this box. Again, it does have a cutie in it. Therefore, it's available in the USA and Canada. It is not going to last long. With this blush cutie in there, you must be an Access subscriber to get this box. If you don't have Access, add it to your cart and grab it. It's not going to last. I will catch you on the next video. You guys have a great day. Happy crafting.